Hey, everybody, I want to share knowledge with you friends, my 10 years of experience. I have traveled this path in cold blood and it has helped me a lot. I want a strong mindset to help you too. This is the FixProfit channel. By the way, to make sure you don't miss out on new helpful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Your likes and comments help me a lot for promotion. I will be very happy with your feedback. Now I want to start working on the currency pair Australian, Canadian dollar. This is a 5-minute time frame. I invest 1% of the amount on the account. I think buyers will be able to improve their position in this situation. I've decided that I'm going to open this trade on the upside. So, let's look at the essence of what's going on. In the past 10 minutes, the price was coming down, the seller's volumes were convincing. But it couldn't last. Why? Because the market tended to oversold, which is noticeable by the stochastic oscillator. This local momentum has dried up, so the bulls have a window of opportunity that they can take advantage of right now by bouncing off the support zone. I think this will have a major impact on the bottom line. I think this trend will work in my favor. Friends, my team will help you with training. To discuss training, please send a private message to our manager. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help all participants build their knowledge and experience. We also have a Telegram group where we post content that helps you understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content there that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link is below the video. If it's not working yet, keep going. Let's get one thing straight right now. Just because you're not profitable yet, doesn't mean you never will be. Every single trader you follow, every guru, every success story you see flexing screenshots and sipping smoothies by the beach, started exactly where you are. Confused, frustrated, maybe even ready to quit. But success in trading is just like that last boss battle in a video game. It feels impossible, until it isn't. Remember Rocky Balboa getting back up when Apollo thought he was done? Remember Tony Stark building a suit from scraps in a cave? That's the energy you need right now. Let's dive in. Money management, your bulletproof vest. You wouldn't go into a battle without armor. Trading without a money management plan is the same thing. The rule is simple, 1 to 2% per trade. That's it. I know it's tempting to go big, especially when you're sure it's a winner. But listen, pros don't gamble, they calculate. Think of your trading account like a business. You don't put the entire store's inventory on one shelf and hope it sells. You diversify, you protect, and you play the long game. What's your current money management system? Drop your strategy or risk percentage below. I want to see how the real ones do it. You want to know what separates emotional trades from intelligent ones? Analysis. That's your map, your compass, and your weapon. Start with support and resistance. These are battle zones where price fights to break through. Understand trend lines. If price is a river, trend lines are the banks keeping it in flow. Now move into candlesticks, engulfing, hammers, dojis. They're not random, they're full of clues. Use RSI to spot overbought or oversold zones. Use MACD to catch momentum. Here's a trick. Don't just chase indicators. Study how price reacts to them. That's where the gold is. Trading is like fitness. You don't hit the gym once and walk out with a six-pack. You show up, you learn, you sweat, you track, and yeah, some days you lose. Just like athletes lose games. Just like musicians bomb on stage. But they don't quit, and neither should you. So, I just successfully completed my first trade. Yes, my logic worked. Now I want to work with the euro and the Canadian dollar on a 5-minute time frame. Let's go. In this situation, I decided to click the green button on the broker. Why? Here are the key points. I see an increase in bull volume on the histogram. They are saturating the market quite actively, which is evident from the green columns. The price has a new global support zone, which shows a steady increase in price even in sideways movement situations. I see that the bulls are ready to fight the distance. I think it will work within a 5-minute time frame. Do you like this video? Please like it and leave a comment, friends. I would be very grateful. For training, please contact our manager via the link in the description and join our Telegram channel. We will be happy to help you. I know traders who left their 9-to-5s and now trade full-time, not because they're smarter, but because they're consistent. They studied, they stayed in the game, and they stuck to their rules. You can do this too. Nothing worth building comes without risk. Trading is no different than running a business. There's no guarantee. There are ups and downs. But if you approach it smart, track your trades, protect your capital, and evolve, you can build something powerful. The goal isn't to eliminate risk. It's to control it, manage it, work with it. Here's some real talk. If your deposit is $100 and you're trading with $1 per trade, you're pulling in 80 cents on a win. But a $1,000 deposit, trading $10? That's $8 a win. Compound that over 10, 50, 100 trades, it adds up fast. But remember, never break your money management rules. Bigger balance? Great, but stay within 1 to 2%. Greed is what kills accounts. Analyze everything. Seriously, if you're not journaling your trades, you're guessing. And guesswork is what keeps you stuck. After every session, look at why you entered, why you exited, what worked, what didn't. Over time, patterns emerge. You learn your style, you develop your edge. That's how you go from follower to leader in this game. What's your favorite indicator or analysis method? Let's share tools that work and help each other level up. You ever seen the movie The Pursuit of Happiness? Will Smith's character was broke, homeless, sleeping in public bathrooms, and still showed up to grind. That kind of mental fortitude? That's what trading demands. You'll get punched in the face. You'll have red days. You'll feel like giving up. But if you push through, keep learning, keep refining, you'll come out better. Stronger, sharper. That's where growth lives. You don't need to be a genius to succeed in trading. You need structure, routine, commitment. Wake up, study charts, watch price action, backtest, ask questions, join communities, learn from losses, celebrate wins, quietly, and repeat, every single day. So, I just got another bonus. I managed to earn $1,634 from 2 deals. Subscribe, write to our manager, and join our Telegram channel. See you soon.